Putting your money in a high yield savings account can really help when it comes to building up an emergency fund, saving for a large expense, or just reaching certain financial goals. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So my name is Paul, and in this video I'll be going over the top 5 high yield savings accounts that you can open right now. Now, what is a high yield savings account and why should you open one? Simply put, high yield savings accounts are savings accounts that offer you a much higher interest rate compared to regular savings accounts, so your money can grow much faster as it just sits in your account. The higher your APY or annual percentage yield, the faster your money grows inside of the account. Before we get into the full list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, number 5 on today's list is the American Express High Yield Savings Account. To be very honest with you, American Express is one of the most reputable financial institutions in our day and age. Key investors include Warren Buffett, and they have credit cards that compete with Visa and MasterCard, and these credit cards offer great benefits as well. Yeah, so this is the American Express High Yield Savings Account. They currently offer a 4.25% APY. It's very easy to use, no monthly fees, no minimum balance or deposit requirements. 24/7 customer support, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only cons that I could think of is it's only online and it has no ATM access. So who is this account best for? This account is best for anyone who currently owns American Express products and just wants to seamlessly integrate their high yield savings account with their credit cards. All you have to do to open an account is just click open an account, and it'll take you to a different page where you can start opening. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So a lot of you are probably wondering how much you can actually make with the 4.25% APY. Let's check it out. So I pulled up a calculator where it's going to show me how much interest I can earn. So let's say you put in $10,000 and you put in $0 after that. And let's say you do this for 1 year and your current APY sits at 4.25%. So after a year, your total would come to $10,425, which pretty much means that you'd make $425 per year in interest. Now, number 4 on today's list is the Capital One High Yield Savings Account. So as you guys know, Capital One is one of the most reputable banks in the United States, and they're one of the banks that offer a great high yield savings account with the current APY of 4.3%. So we're on the website here, and you can see that there's some great pros to this. So a solid APY of 4.3%, no monthly fees, no minimum deposits required, no maintenance fees, and this account is also FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Now, who is this account best for? I personally think this account is best for anyone who does their banking online and wants to stay in the Capital One ecosystem. All you have to do to open an account is go to their website and click open account, and it'll take you to the account opening page. So how much can you make with 4.3% APY? So let's say you put in $10,000 with a 0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year and a 4.3% APY. You would make $430 in interest per year. Number 3 on today's list is none other than the Discover High Yield Savings Account. Now, Discover is also one of the most reputable banks in the United States. They offer great credit cards, and my first credit card was actually from Discover, and I had the Discover It secured credit card. So looking at the Discover website, you can see that their high yield savings account currently offers a 4.3% APY, and if you look here, it shows you pretty much all the pros. So a really high APY of 4.3%, no monthly fees, great mobile app, and FDIC insured for up to $250,000. The only con I can think of is that they have no physical branch access, but that's with most online banks. I think this account is perfect for anyone who is okay with online banking and wants to stay in the Discover ecosystem if they already are. Now, all you have to do to open an account is click on open an account, and it'll take you to the page where you can open an account. Now, how much can you make with the Discover It High Yield Savings? So everything else is going to be the same. So $10,000 deposit, 0 monthly contribution over 1 year with the 4.3% APY. You'll make $430 in interest per year, which is not bad. So next up, we have Wealthfront's Cash Management Account. And this is one of the highest APYs on today's list with a 4.8%. And a lot of the pros come from no monthly maintenance fees, unlimited fee-free withdrawals. You can receive direct deposits up to 2 days early, and it's FDIC insured for up to $250,000 by partner banks. The only cons that I could think of is no physical branches, and there are fees for cash deposits. Now, this account is anyone who's looking for a super high APY with the trusted financial services company. To sign up for an account, all you have to do is click get started on the website, and I'll take you to the pages where you can sign up. Now, how much can you make with a 4.8% APY? Let's check it out. So initial deposit $10,000, monthly contribution 0 over a period of 1 year, and a 4.8% APY. You would make $480 for every $10,000 that you put in. Not bad at all. And number one on today's list is none other than Marcus by Goldman Sachs. So this was launched actually in 2016. It's an online-only bank offering high-yield savings accounts, and it's honestly one of the most popular high-yield savings accounts out right now. So if you look at the website here, you can see that it currently has a 4.3% APY. But the best part is, if you look here, if you have a referral, you can receive up to 5.3% APY for 3 months, which is amazing. So some pros of the high-yield savings account from Marcus by Goldman Sachs is that it has a super high APY, no monthly fees on savings accounts, no minimum deposits, and it's also FDIC insured for up to $250,000. Now, who is this account best for? It's best for anyone who wants to have a completely online banking experience with a trusted name in banking. All you have to do to get started is go to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website here, click Explore Online Savings, and choose Online Savings Account. It's as simple as that. So let's see how much you can make with the Marcus by Goldman Sachs high yield savings account. So look here, you can see that initial deposit is $10,000 with a 0 monthly contribution over a period of 1 year. Let's say you get the bonus and you get the 5.3% APY, you would make $530 for every $10,000 put in. That's pretty good. So a high yield savings account is a perfect place to put your emergency fund or any short-term savings that you have for the near future. Instead of earning a measly 0.03% interest or less from these major banks, consider putting your money in a high yield savings account with a reputable bank to earn the highest interest possible on your hard-earned money. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that any interest earned from these high yield savings accounts will be taxed as ordinary income. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. I will catch you in the next video very soon. Take care.